So ngayon pag-uusapan naman natin yung fractions. So yung fraction, for example, we have A over B. Yung number sa taas or yung letter A ay tinatawag na numerator. Yung B naman ay denominator. And the bar here is called fraction bar. Next, merong iba't ibang klaseng fractions. So we have proper fraction. If A is less than B, so pag tinignan natin to, kapag daw yung A ay mababa kay B, ang tawag sa kanya ay proper fraction. For example, we have 1/2. This is our A and this is our B, and A is less than B, so it is a proper fraction. Next is improper fraction. So improper fraction is the opposite of proper fraction. If A is greater than B, it is a improper fraction. For example, we have 3 over 2. These are A and these are B, and we all know that 3 is greater than 2, so this is a improper fraction. Sorry. Next, mixed fraction. So pag sinabi natin mixed fraction, let's say we have a whole number and a fraction. Kapag meron tayong whole number, ito ay mixed fraction. So whole number plus fraction is a mixed fraction. Next is similar fraction. When we say similar fraction, the denominators are the same. For example, we have set of numbers like 1 over 6, 2 over 6, 3 over 6, 5 over 6. So as we can see, we have a similar denominators, so they are similar fraction. So next is dissimilar fraction. So kabaligtaran naman siya ni similar. The denominators are not the same. For example, 1/2, 3/4, 1/5. So as you can see, iba-iba yung denominators nila.